Tips and tricks to alleviate your acid reflux. Acid reflux is a condition that affects millions of people throughout the world. Sadly, many people suffer from it because they do not know enough about it to help reduce its effect on their lives. In the following video, you will be given advice to help you live your life without acid reflux. After you take a bite or two, put down your fork. This ensures you are chewing fully and truly slowing down while you eat. Consider what this bite tastes like, and what was different than the last bite. Enjoy the texture of the food both when it first enters your mouth, and once you are done chewing. The way you eat food can cause acid reflux. Many folks eat way too fast and have far too much food in each meal. You will see a detriment to your health if you continue to eat this way with acid reflux. Eating smaller portions can really help with this. Additionally, do not eat as quickly at mealtime. Chew each bite fully and put your fork down frequently. If you are experiencing acid reflux issues and you do not have an antacid on hand, you can use baking soda to alleviate the problem. You will start to feel relief within a few minutes of taking it. As the beginning of this video discussed, tons of people suffer from acid reflux disease, and the reason it has such a huge effect on their lives is because they do not know enough about it to lessen its symptoms. But, now that you have watched this video, you know enough about acid reflux to stop it from being a factor in your life. Use these tips to feel relief right away. I cured my acid reflux. A lifelong sufferer discovers a powerful secret to heartburn freedom. To learn how I did it, visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to eliminate heartburn pain within 2 days? Doctors and drug companies hate this. Visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to learn about the only, clinically proven, step-by-step, acid reflux system? Visit heartburnhacks.com to learn this, and so much more. Link in the description.